Now, I don't know about you, but I still have a lot of things that I collected from when I was a kid. I have my comic book collection, a bunch of old toys, but there's one thing that I started collecting when I was an adult. Cans. Why? I don't know, actually. Maybe they had really cool graphics on them, or perhaps something in them reminds me of my own childhood. I even turned one soda can into a desk light. But whatever the reason, I have these things scattered around my home office on shelves. Now, I don't have a huge collection. I mean, the American Pickers are probably not going to come over anytime soon. But hey, Mike and Frank, if you are listening, you're welcome anytime. Anyway, I thought it would be a great idea to build a display case for all the cans. So here's my plan. This project is rather simple. It'll be a basic wooden box. The can with the largest diameter I want to display will be about 4 inches, so I'll make the depth of my shelf 4.5 inches overall. The spot on my wall that I have available for this is 22 inches wide and 24 inches tall. In order to keep the dust out, I'll make a plexiglass door that can slide in and out from the left. I'll cut a couple of grooves to accommodate this in the top and bottom inside. The tallest can I have is under 6 inches, so I'll cut 4 shelves. The spacing will be 6, 6, 6, 3 inches, and 3 on the bottom. Plans might change along the way, but this is a working drawing, good enough to take to the garage and start cutting. One of the great things about working on a project like this, it gives me a chance to get rid of a lot of the scrap wood that I've been collecting from the alleys over the past few years. Now this is going to be a display case. It's not a fine piece of furniture. I can leave it bare wood, I can paint it, I can stain it. Now I just got to cut it up on the table saw. Well, I think I'm covered pretty much head to toe in man glitter, but I do have the back of the cabinet cut. I've got the groove on the display case cut for the back. I've cut out the 4 shelves, which, by the way, I did alley pick these and they had a finish on them. So I needed to sand that off in order to get the paint to stick. So I've got 2 things left to do: paint the entire cabinet and cut the acrylic cover. Well, this is definitely an upgrade from what I had. Another cool project made from junk. It would have been made entirely of recycled materials if I didn't have to buy the acrylic glass, which, by the way, is optional. Thanks for watching Allie Picked. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hold on, I gotta answer this call from the 1960s. Hello, Allie Picked Hotline.